This is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your PlayStation 5 controller if you're having issues with it or maybe like a connection problem. So just try resetting it. I'm going to turn on my controller by pressing the PlayStation button, and then I'm going to turn it around. And there's going to be a small pinhole right here that we want to place like a small object in. And I have this little device that I use to remove SIM cards that came with my phone. And I can just press this in here. If I turn my controller around, you're going to notice my controller is going to turn off when I press this down. So let's press it down right now. And then I'm going to hold it down for a little bit longer here. And it is now reset. So if you are having like a connection issue or something like that, or maybe your controller just isn't working, go ahead and just try resetting it quick. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.